Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and my daily blog. Today I'm gonna introduce you my pigeon. I'm gonna show you my bird. His name is Jiji. Here in Arabian country, Arabian people call this bird as a hamama, known as a hamama. In Asia, especially in Bangladesh, Pakistan or Indian, known as a kabutar. This guy with me since he was a baby bird. Look at him, how he is gorgeous, how handsome. This guy always have to company with human. He is so friendly. He like to sit beside me. He like to play with me when I'm home. When I come back from work, he like to have attention on him. Look at him. He just sit beside of me, just keep watching. Look like watchdog, but he cannot be watchdog, so I call him, you are just bird, so you will be just watch bird. This guy like to sleep on my bed. This is the best comfort for him. I said this is your best comfort zone. And also he like to sleep in my carpet, praying carpet, but he has his own case, but he don't like to stay over there, just stay beside human. Just always have attention on him. Next video I will show his case and his best place to stay. This guy so handsome, really unique. I never ever seen in my life bird can be friendly with human as my bird. So guys, if you like the video, please let me know in the comment if you wanna see next video of this bird. If you like the video, please share and comment. Thank you guys for watching my video. I will upload in next video of this bird, how he like to play with us and how he is friendly. Look at him. Mashallah, he is unique, amazing boy.